Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and in this video, we'll be walking through a new feature inside of workflows for ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, we'll be talking about how to see where people are at inside of your workflows. So let's go ahead and jump over to my screen here. We'll walk through everything you need to know and all that fun stuff. Now, to kick things off, let's head over to automations in that left-hand navigation. If you don't currently see this in the left-hand navigation, just like this, make sure to go to the App Center by clicking on the little plus icon here, adding automations to your workspace, and then from there, follow along in this video. I'm assuming though that you already have this added, you know what I'm talking about, and you just want to know where to find this information. So inside of automations, click on workflows. Once you do, it'll bring you to this page right here. And then after that, just click on the actual workflow you want to get more information in. I'm going to use this one as the example. All right, once that loads, all we have to do here is click on the area where it says are here and were here. If you don't see this right now, go ahead and click on this guy right here between help and the bell icon. This is going to be the stats that are shown within the workflow itself. If you have it disabled, just like it is right now, nothing is going to actually display for you to view more information. All right, so let's go over here and click on this guy again, just to make sure that it is activated. Once it is, you can click between the two and find the information that you're looking for to see who was here or who is currently here. All right, click on this guy right here. It'll expand over here on the right-hand side of the screen with all the emails and the people that have met this criteria or have already passed this area. And right beside that, you can see who is currently in this step as of right now. As of right now, I have no one in this step, but if you do, awesome, you'll see an actual number there, and the email will display over here on the right-hand side of the page. And that is it. That's all you have to do. Now, this is going to show up for each of these steps inside of the workflow, basically just to give you more information as far as where people are at and where they're headed inside of the workflow itself. Alrighty, and that is it. If you have any questions around anything that we covered here today, I know this is a short video, but if you do have questions around this or anything else within ClickFunnels 2.0 or Classic, let me know down below and we'll point you in the right direction. All right, otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next video.